We are Ravti. We are software to manage HVAC for commercial real estate. That's right, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. Now, you may not know a lot about the commercial HVAC industry, and that's perfectly fine. There are only 3 things you need to know. 1, it's over a $100 billion industry in the United States alone. 2, 32% of a commercial building's maintenance and repair budget is spent on HVAC, nearly 2x that of any other trade. And 3, the industry is completely fragmented. There are more than 86,000 service companies in this country today. HVAC management today is done with the phone, Excel spreadsheets, and carbon copy paper. Yes, carbon copy paper is still used in this industry today. But most importantly, even though property managers spend millions of dollars a year on HVAC, there is no efficient way for them to identify, bid, and procure their largest annual expense. Ravti solves this problem. We provide them an online catalog of all of their HVAC equipment and allow them to manage everything with the simple click of a button. We bid their projects out for them, saving them between 18 and 40%, which goes directly to their bottom line. Ravti gets paid by facilitating these transactions. Beyond getting paid for facilitating these transactions, we also charge our users a monthly fee. This monthly fee is based on square footage because that is the metric used to measure commercial real estate. We've been growing this at 29% month over month for the past 8 months. We have over 30 million square feet signed up today. Our current customers include publicly traded REITs, national and regional property managers, and building owners. Our current run rate is over $500,000. We have more than 150 million square feet in our pipeline. Once converted to customers, this will represent nearly $3 million of revenue to Ravti. This represents just a tiny fragment of the more than 85 billion square feet of commercial real estate in the United States today. I was a sales engineer for 5 years at Trane, the industry-leading HVAC manufacturer. I lived in this world and saw my customers' pain. I left to improve this industry through software. If you would like to help us innovate an industry that the internet has left behind, we look forward to speaking with you. Thank you.